New arrival here at hawaiipowersports.com. Hawaii Powersports, your home of affordable family fun. We got the GOTRAX GXL. Just got chosen as Hawaii's only authorized GOTRAX dealer. These are the electric foot scooters, or they're called electric kick scooters. Lime and Bird, those companies are renting them out all over in SoCal. Actually all over the world. They're in Paris. Anyhow, really cool, really cool. Get you from the bus stop to work, get you cruising the beach. 12.5-mile range, tops out around a little over 15 miles an hour. Real good quality. It's like billet, everything's billet on these, or powder coated. It's just super. Nice brake system back there, operated by the handbrake here. Of course, the bell warning people to get out of your way. Charging plug right there, and just simply turn it on. Hold the button down, you'll see the display flash on. Tells you the battery charge and your miles per hour. If you hold it in, you go to level 2. Level 2 is going up to 15 miles an hour. Level 1, you hold it down again, you're in 10 mile an hour top speed. You just quick press the light again, or the button again, and you got your really, really bright for night riding there. But just an incredible machine. Just got these in, just became the only authorized dealer at Hawaii Powersports, the home of affordable family fun. This is personal transportation at its finest. Don't miss a lecture at your college campus. Folding it, let's see if I can do it solo here. So we're just gonna make sure the front wheel's straight, pull this out. We're gonna click this right on down. Clicks right in. Put the stand up. It'll sit there level. Let's turn this off. Awesome. Now it's ready to carry on the bus. Stuff it underneath your desk at work. Grab it right here and just total portability. It's awesome. Great units. Portable. Go pretty quick. Pretty quick for a scooter. Quick enough for me. Anyhow, in stock, ready to go. We got them advertised on Facebook, or you can go to the website, hawaiipowersports.com, for more pictures and videos. Hit us up, let us know, and mahalo for watching.